Hello everyone and welcome to AbaqusFEM. Uh, if you're looking to master heat transfer and thermal stress analysis in Abaqus, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'd like to introduce one of the most comprehensive Abaqus training packages available, carefully designed for engineers, researchers, graduate students, and simulation professionals who want to solve real engineering problems, not just follow basic software tutorials. Heat transfer is one of the most important topics in engineering simulation. Almost every engineering system is affected by temperature. Whether you're working on an automotive engine, a welded structure, a manufacturing process, a steel building exposed to fire, or even a high-speed impact problem, temperature has a significant influence on structural behavior, material properties, deformation, and failure. To accurately predict this phenomena, engineers need to understand the three fundamental modes of heat transfer: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction describes heat flow through solid material. Convection represents heat exchange between a solid surface and a surrounding fluid, such as air or water. Radiation transfers heat through electromagnetic waves and become especially important in high temperature application uh, like combustion system and fire engineering. Abaqus provides powerful capability for modeling all of these heat transfer mechanisms both individually and simultaneously. It also allows engineers to perform fully coupled thermo-mechanical analysis where temperature affected structure deformation, stress distribution, and material behavior. That's exactly what this training package is designed to teach. This package includes or contains 23 detailed workshops, each based on the practical engineering application. You can see here the title of each workshop. You simulate conductive, convective, and radiation heat transfer to understand how these mechanisms interact in the real engine component in the manifold. Here you can see these three. For engineers working in civil and structural engineering, the package includes several fire engineering projects. You learn how to analyze steel frame, bolted connection, steel beams, reinforced concrete beams, hollow core slabs, timber structure, and composite material under fire condition using advanced thermal and coupled thermal stress analysis. If your interests lie in manufacturing, you'll also find workshops covering machining, chip forming, cold extrusion, cold spray process, and also many several other models. Uh, these welding projects demonstrate here, you can see, multiply numerical approach including the arbitrary Eulerian Lagrangian model, SPH method, giving you giving you practical experience with some of the most advanced techniques available in Abaqus. The package also includes two complete workshops of arc welding using deflux subroutine, where you learn how to plan moving heat source and predict temperature, history, residual stress, and structural distortion. In addition, you explore thermal analysis of the ballistic impact and even investigate thermal mixing and reverse flow characteristic using computational fluid dynamics or CFD in Abaqus. But this package is much more than a collection of the simulation example. Every workshop has been developed uh, as a complete learning experience. After purchasing the package, you'll receive the complete Abaqus CAE models, the corresponding input file, detailed step-by-step tutorial video, user subroutine whenever applicable, and reference research paper whenever they are available. This means you won't have to spend hours trying to recreate models from published paper or guess how a particular simulation was built. Everything is prepared for you, allowing you to focus on understanding engineering concepts. Uh, and one feature that makes this package different from many other online courses is it is emphasized on the real engineering application. Uh, By working through these projects, you'll gain experience with realistic modeling strategies, temperature-dependent material properties, thermal conduct, boundary conditions, advanced meshing technique, and professional post-processing analysis. Whether you're a university student preparing your thesis, a researcher validating numerical model, or an engineer working in industry, these are skills that can immediately be applied to your own project. And at the end, here we have the payment method. Uh, the price for the heat transfer thermal stress analysis package is 146 euros. We accept PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and all the cryptocurrencies for the payment. Before payment, contact us through this email to tell you more about the package, the content, and everything that you need to know. For now, thank you for your attention.